Okay, welcome everybody. Jason Kryzak here, and I'm bringing you a video of the JU1000 today. Now, I've focused for the most part, most of my videos have focused on the RAD 5 and the RAD 2000. You know, those really are some of the most powerful models for myself. I really appreciate those models, but I really don't want us to forget about models like the JU1000. Really compact, portable, and that's one of the things that makes it so nice, is this is extremely portable. You can see the size of my hand to the unit, easily taken just about anywhere. Easy on off. Once again, I've done this in a couple of my videos. I'm just going to let you feel got the silver output tube here. I'm going to let you feel the orgone field when I turn it on. Just see if you can feel the contrast between no orgone field and orgone field here. It's subtle, but I'm going to do this again. So you can see that the shift in environment that even the JU1000 being a middle of the line generator really produces is pretty potent. It's pretty powerful field. And as you can see, we've got a couple of the dials here. This one is for frequency, and then of course this dial is the pulse rate. Now I've got it basically at the kind of a higher frequency there. You know, that's basically all the way maxed out. So the other one is up at 100, so it's 100%. So this is going to be pulsing a very high frequency field. We're going to do a little experiment here so you can kind of feel the contrast, because I know a lot of people who tune into these videos, you're very energetically sensitive also, and a lot of people have given me feedback that they could really feel the shift of the energy of the devices as they're being turned on, off, etc. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to keep it at this higher pulse rate, and I'm going to go between these different frequencies. So right now we're at the max, and we're going to be going down to 14 hertz. So just feel if you can see if you can feel that shift. Now we're going down to 10 hertz. Notice the difference. Might be a little bit of a subtle difference for you. And now 7.83 hertz, which is the Schumann resonance. It's one of the peak spikes of the pulse of Mother Earth. This one is very, very powerful, very connecting to Mother Earth. For those of you who really want to connect back into nature, this is a portal. So get ready. That's the song of Mother Earth right there. That is the frequency of this planet. Very important, especially in the age that we're in, with so many electro fields and an ever the density of the power grid is just increasing exponentially. So now we're going to go down to 7 hertz. Now 6.3. And then this one, 3.5, I've really found very helpful in sleep. You can feel the difference. I'm going to crank it all the way back up now, so just get ready for this. You can feel that subtle shift possibly. Now all the way back down. So if you're wanting to have a nice sleep, good night's sleep, we can now pulse rate. I'm going to slow that pulse rate down. Just feel that difference. If you don't feel it right away, that's okay. It's like coming into tune with anything. Sometimes it takes a little bit of practice. But the more in tune you can get with these devices, the more you can really start to utilize them whether it's the light models, the middle of the road models, or the heavy duty models. You're going to be really empowered no matter what you get. And that's my own experience. I'm definitely not a salesperson. This is really about what I've experienced for myself, because that's all that counts to me. Now we're going all the way back up again, and then once again we're going to bring this back up, kind of maxing out that vivid, bright field. So that is a good overview of the JU1000. Check it out at orgonegenerator.com. Highly encourage having one of these models as a really portable, awesome adjunct to, say, one of the heavier models. But, you know, just even as a standalone, it works beautifully. So, many blessings. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Click subscribe and the little bell to make sure you get the updates on further videos, and we will see you soon. Lots of blessings.